Shenzhen YND Electronic Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, China. For 14 years, it has been dedicated to the research and development of medical LED lighting equipment and has passed CE RoHS certification. Its products comply with the European Medical Device Directive (MDR) standards and are sold to more than 20 countries and regions, including North America and Europe. Integrating advanced fine production processes such as ultrasonic welding, laser marking, and aging durability testing, we provide one-stop services from research and development to mass production. Supporting full-dimensional personalized customization OEM and ODM services for eyeglass frames, bracket, customer logos, color, temperature, brightness, packaging, and more. 3. R&D engineer, customized development of electronics, software, optics in all dimensions, fully mastering the supply chain system, achieving faster delivery time and unlimited order quantity. The products we produce all have our own patents, with advantages such as lightweight, high brightness, long working time, and high cost effectiveness. We implement the ISO 13485 medical equipment management system and have a product defect rate of less than 0.2%. YND commitment to product innovation and quality has made us to become one of the leading supplier of medical LED headlights. YND mission is to provide good quality LED light for surgeons worldwide. YND welcomes you.